Begin tonight with new developments in the Frisco track meet stabbing case. It has been 2 months since he was sentenced to 35 years in prison, Karmelo Anthony, for killing another Frisco ISD student, Austin Metcalf, in 2025. Now the judge has informed all sides he will decide tomorrow if Anthony gets a retrial.
Yeah, and that announcement came after what has been a fiery day in court. Senior crime and justice reporter Rebecca Lopez has been watching testimony all day. She's live at the Collin-County Courthouse with where things stand.
Well, there was disturbing testimony today about Karmelo Anthony's past, including racist and violent text messages that were never presented to the jury in his murder trial. Prosecutors displayed school disciplinary records and numerous messages from Anthony's phone involving fights, guns, and threats to kill people. Some of the most troubling messages were sent to his former girlfriend, who was sitting next to Anthony's mother in court. Prosecutors showed messages in which Anthony called her derogatory names and threatened to shoot and kill her. Other messages attributed to Anthony contained racist and degrading remarks about black women. There were also messages in which Anthony talked about taking a gun and a knife to school, shooting up a school, and stabbing someone. This is the type of evidence that prosecutors and defense attorneys were trying to keep away from the jury, so they made an agreement to exclude damaging character information on both sides. But that agreement fell apart just before Anthony was expected to testify, so neither side presented this damaging evidence that they had.
It's a very, very tricky thing to say that the fact that we relied on this to our detriment. It's a very, very complicated thing to say that it could trigger a new trial or should trigger a new trial. And the fact of the matter is I think there is so little authority on this, and this is such a novel problem.
Now, Bill Wertsky said that the messages that they had could have been very devastating to his defense. He told the court, when you know how this story ends, you have to take these text messages very seriously. But Anthony's new defense team wants a new trial. And again, the judge is expected to rule on this by tomorrow. Back to you, Chris.
All right. Thank you, Rebecca.